5210 has been an amazing supporter of our market. They have helped us establish a centralized information booth which processes our SNAP and EBT transactions. We also are able to promote our different programs, different vendors that we have here. And then at that information booth with the EBT transactions, we are part of the Double Up Food Bucks program. So SNAP recipients are able to come to the information booth and get a dollar for dollar match for every SNAP dollar they spend with Double Up Food Bucks to spend on fresh fruits and vegetables. Helps our local farmers earn more income and more customers. It helps those families take home more fresh fruits and vegetables. And then it also strengthens our local food economy. I'm the founder of We Arose. We are a co-op. Our mission is to elevate urban farming cooperation. We are focused on increasing access to local and affordable healthy food options in underserved neighborhoods in Waterloo. So we have a network of 5 producers, all local here in Waterloo. We have about 20 acres dedicated to fresh fruits and vegetable production. And we're doing our best to get the word out and bridge that gap between underserved areas and access to healthy food options. They have supported our home delivery program. 5210 has helped fund that program to make sure that we are able to support the farmer and have a CSA style delivery program that delivers fresh produce boxes to families each week.
What we're doing here is trying to build environments that support wellness and activity for kids. So this is Cunningham School for Excellence. It's an elementary school, and they installed a wonderful garden a couple years ago. To make it more inviting, we added this bench so that they have a spot to sit. You can bring some of the classroom management outside and they can use the garden more frequently. Me and a team of a couple other health educators are also teaching monthly nutrition lessons in the classroom, building the practice, developing the courage to try new foods on a regular basis.
This past year, we developed Garden Cart. The idea was that I wanted kids to be able to garden year-round. They're at sensory table height, perfect height for them to get up to and interact with. The carts go indoors and outdoors, so in the summer we plant and we water outside. In the winter we add some trays under our cart. We put some grow lights on and got some classrooms that we'll keep the carts in or just in some common areas, and they will just get to learn about how plants grow. We even harvest and eat some of the stuff. They're very excited, they're very proud. I've heard them when their parents come pick them up. Look, Mom, look what we're growing. We grew microgreens, that was really fun. And they got to trim them with the scissors. The 5210 application was very easy. I think the big thing is they're just looking for community members and ideas, and primarily they're looking for something that is sustainable. It was a super easy thing to be involved in. I would definitely encourage others to get involved in it. Sometimes I think some of these grants seem like they're gonna be a lot of work, and you might be surprised they're not as hard as what they may seem, and for the amount of what we got out of it, it was definitely worth it for us. Stay on the lookout for those things because there's lots of cool things you can develop that are super sustainable and people will keep enjoying.